Changing the action executed after pressing the back button is easier than you might think. Therefore, go to the C# code of the page you want to change the back button action for. Now you need to override the OnBackButtonPressed method. You need to return a bool. When the bool is true, it still executes the default back action after your new actions. If the bool is false, the normal back button action will not be executed anymore. And that is all you have to do to override the back button action in .NET Maui. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.